Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Print to PDF printer not available on Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck Microsoft Print to PDF. Click OK. Click Close. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check Microsoft Print to PDF. Click Close. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Devices and Printers. Microsoft Print to PDF is added. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.